right, time to take a look at the VEVOR shallow well pump. Okay, so we got our instructions. This thing is not playing around. Look at that. That's pretty nice. Oh, that's cool. So this has 1-inch MPT fittings on both the inlet and the outlet. It also came with these two fittings. So these are just adapters that can turn that 1-inch into, I believe that is a 3/4 inch. So we can pop this cap and then put this adapter right there. We can also see that we got a fill port right here, so we can just unscrew that. In the event that this ever goes dry, just fill it right there, and then we can drain it right there if we ever need to winterize it. But yeah, this is an amazing pump. So this can actually pump up to 69.6 PSI of pressure, which is amazing because if you think about your household pressure, that's usually right around 50 PSI. This can output more pressure than you're getting to your house. It can output 978 gallons per hour, so that is a ton, and it can do it all with a regular household outlet and just 7 amps of power. Yeah, so this thing is amazing. I mean, really, it's kind of a simple thing. We got a 1.1 horsepower motor, and we got a big nasty pump on the front. Got a carrying handle to pull it around, and there's a fully sealed switch, which is a good thing. You probably shouldn't just be pouring water on this, but it's nice that they kept that sealed, and that way you don't have to unplug it whenever you want to turn it off. So it says when we go to start it for the first time, to just move the fan before we actually plug it in and make sure that everything is moving freely so we know that the pump isn't seized. Just a safety thing, but that is a good idea, and of course this one is perfectly fine, so let's go ahead and try it out. Push some water. I'm happy with that. So that guy is going to work no problem.